All the cracks have been sealed in the 307 South Lebec Road house in the basement on the concrete walls. So I don't know what else I can do. Everything's completely sealed up. There's a concrete ribbon wall outside that's been poured years ago when I first rebuilt this house. That's the cap of it right there at the very top. It goes all the way across, and then it goes all the way down the whole wall, 6 inches thick. It's concrete reinforced fiberglass in the concrete, plus there's steel bars in there. This is documentation. The work's been done. It took me 2 days to do it. Thank you.